I am logged in as Matt, who works in the sales operations team. Matt is responsible for managing the territories for his sales organization. As the sales admin, Matt can see all territories, including the territories that are recently imported. Let's use the advanced search to find those territories and look at their definitions. I am looking for the Curtis Agencies Limited sales territory. Let's look at the definition of this territory. We can see the dimension coverage for this territory, which includes the address dimension. We can also see details that have been imported. This territory is covering accounts, opportunities, and leads that are located in Canada with postal codes that start with A, B, C, or E, which corresponds to the Atlantic Coast provinces of Newfoundland, Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia. This territory also has a regular territory dimension coverage, including account type, industry, product, etc., but we have kept all of these as any for simplicity. Now let's look at the Oakland-Emeryville-Alameda territory. If we look at the dimensional coverage of this territory, we can see that the address rules cover a range of postal codes covering the city of Alameda and a specific Oakland and Emeryville postal code, 94608. Let's look at the North Dakota territory. Under Dimension, let's look at the address coverage for this territory. This territory uses the new address dimension and is based on the country and state. It covers the U.S. state of North Dakota. Let's now look at an existing account called JC Enterprises. This account has a fully formed address, so it is very likely that the Address Smart defaulting feature was utilized when creating the customer or customer address. You'll notice that all the address elements are available. This particular account is located in the postal code starting with B3N. I can now run the assignment processing for this particular account. I can see the territories that are assigned. In this demo environment, there are many overlapping territories defined, and many territories cover this account. The territory I'm specifically looking for is the Curtis Agencies territory. Remember that this territory covers any accounts located in Canadian postal codes starting with A, B, C, or E. Let's look at another account, Alameda Corporation. This account was loaded into Engagement Cloud via an import process. As much as we want account details to be complete, accurate, and up to date, that may not always be the case. This account appears to be located in the city of Beverly Hills, in the state of California, but the address lists the state of Hawaii and the city of Alameda postal code. Let's run the assignment processing. When the assignment processing is run for this account, and we have a look at the territories assigned, we see the Oakland-Emeryville-Alameda territory is assigned because there is an address rule based on the Alameda postal code. When customers define their sales rep coverages based on postal codes and define rules using the address dimension, it doesn't matter if there are inaccuracies in the city or state information on the account. The postal code alone will be used. The geography simplification feature makes it very easy for customers to define coverages at these lower geography levels without having dependencies on master geography data or requiring complete or completely accurate address details. Now let's take a look at a lead. This is an example of a lead with an existing account on it. It could also be a net new lead that has full or partial address details directly on the lead. Let's look at the AC Enterprise account for this lead. Once again, this is an account that was imported, and address validation or cleansing was not performed. The address only contains the street name and postal code. This lead was imported into Engagement Cloud. Let's run assignment processing for this lead. We can see that there are many territories assigned. including the Oakland-Emeryville-Alameda territory. The postal code of the AC Enterprise account on the lead falls within the address coverage of this territory.